We are going to find the derivative using the chain rule. First, uh, we need to rewrite the function because that 7 power is the power of the cosine. So I will write as cosine of sine of 3x to the 7 power. Right, now we're going to cover that up. Right, so it doesn't matter what it is inside of that bracket, the derivative is going to be equal to 7 times the bracket to the 6th power. That is the power rule. And the chain rule say we have to take the derivative of what inside the bracket. Doesn't matter what it is. Right. So inside of it happen to be cosine of sine of 3x. So I just copy it down. Don't do any derivative yet. Now, uh, this part doesn't have derivative, so we're done with that part. We only need to do the derivative of the second bracket. Right. Now, we're going to cover that up. Doesn't matter what it is. We just take the derivative of the outside function. Right. So 7. If we don't want to write this bracket, we can just take the 6th power and put that right here. So we just have cosine to the 6th power of sine of 3x. Right, so that's the first part. Next, derivative of cosine is going to be negative sine whatever inside the parentheses and derivative of that parentheses. Uh, Notice that it is multiplied to the negative and not subtract. So to be safe, I put the bracket here. Right. Now, inside of that box is sine of 3x. So, purple here. Just going to write some different color. So let's go back to sine 3x. Sine 3x. Right. We already done this part. Now we only focus on the derivative. The derivative here. Right. So just simplifying a little bit. That negative though, I will multiply on the outside, so we don't have to write that big bracket. So we will have negative 7 cosine to the 6 sine of 3x, and then sine of 3x. Right. Finally, I'm going to cover the 3x. So it doesn't matter what it is inside that parentheses, derivative of sine is going to be cosine of something, and then derivative of whatever it is that the parentheses contain. Now we happen to have 3x in it. And so we've done everything up to this point. There's no more derivative. The only derivative left is the 3x. Derivative of 3x is 3. So we take that 3 multiplied with the negative 7 in front of it. We will have negative 21 cosine to the 6th power of sine of 3x sine of 3x cosine of 3x. And that's the derivative for that problem, for that function.